Hi, Stephen Berry here from Greenfish Marketing. Do you use goals in your automations? If you don't, what we're going to do in this short video is show you how to set up a simple goal so you can see how you can use them moving forward for multiple and different automations. Without further ado, let's jump in and get underway. Okay, so to show you how to set up a simple goal in ActiveCampaign, first of all, we're just going to make a simple automation. So what we're going to have is just 2 emails. Say that we're requesting a testimonial after a client, we've completed some work for a client, or they're a new client to us and it's the first time we've done some work with them, or however, when they might purchase something from our store. So first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to say testimonial requested, and that's the tag we're going to use as a trigger. And then what we're going to just do is add an email. I'm not going to build the emails. I just wanted to show you testimonial email 1. And we're going to wait, say, I don't know, 5 days before we send the follow-up email. So what you might want to do, you can have multiple different ways that people complete this. It could be a form on your website. It could be a form on a landing page. It could be that they send you an email. Whichever way, you're going to want to go on and remove them from this automation. And an easy way to do that is using a goal, because then you can see how many people have actually completed the goal at the same time, so you can see how well the actual automation is working. So any second now I will be done on this part. So obviously always make sure you name your automation testimonial. I'm working faster than the system. But what we're going to do any second is set up the actual goal. So with this, I'm just going to name it quickly so we know what it is. Request. So we've been working with a client, we finished a project for them. We go in, we put testimonial requested on them. It's going to send them an email. Obviously that email we've built out earlier. It's going to then wait 5 days and it's going to send them a follow-up. You might have another follow-up from there as well. What we want to do is if someone completes that testimonial, and we want to be able to do it so we can add a tag manually, or they might complete a form, whether the testimonial is right for them to upload to Facebook or Google or Yelp or whatever else you're using, that's a different matter to start with. But what we want to do is add a goal in here. So first of all, we're going to add another wait timer for 5 days. Just so we've got it in there. We might want to send it off to do something else, and then we're going to add the goal. So first of all, what you want to do is click on goal, and then you want to name what the goal is going to be. And for this one, we're going to say testimonial received, because that's basically what's going to happen when we receive that testimonial. That's when we know that this goal is completed. So then what we're going to do is we're actually going to add a tag. So for example, we have a field on a website, on a form that on our website with a form that when someone completes a testimonial, it will get sent in. Occasionally some people do respond via email, and with some video ones we do get a link that we download anyway, but we also want to just say that we've received it. And what we do is when we receive it, we put a tag exists testimonial received. So once we receive that tag, and once we receive that testimonial, we add this tag. And what we're going to do here with this goal is when the goal is below the contact's position, and then continue. If it doesn't meet this, if they don't have this tag, it will just continue anyway, and then save. So what's going to happen is, for example, normally with a testimonial, you'd probably have 3 emails, and then you might have a bit under there that might have a refer a friend, but you want to get them there with the goal, so which we can build out later on in a different video and show you some other bits as well. But basically, we're going to send them an email. We'll wait 5 days. If they complete that testimonial in 2 days, that form will add that tag testimonial received. Once we know that we have that tag, it will then just remove them straight down there and mark them as a goal. And then that's an easy and simple way adding goals into your system.